What's up, guys? Welcome to day 2 of the drive to Colorado. So we are just outside Kansas City this morning and we drove for about, I don't know, probably 10 hours, 11 hours yesterday. Wasn't real that bad, and well, everything seems to be running good. No more issues with the shit box so far. Trailer's good, no issues, so thanks you all for providing that kind of shit. We got the old Louie dog out here. What you doing, buddy? He ain't eating in like 3 days because he doesn't know what the fuck's going on at all. He didn't even drink any water or anything last night. Yeah. So I guess we'll just put a little bit of water in his bowl and put the food bowl in there with him, see if he eats it. Yeah, let this little shit box warm up a little bit. So, a little update on this car is this thing has not burned a drop of oil. My catch can is, I mean, barely on the dipstick. It's awesome. So, we have not had any problems with the car since we left, other than the muffler, the exhaust pipe coming disconnected from the old tip and the one fuse blowing at one time. We just didn't even put a fuse into in there for the taillight because the blinker and everything works, but we only got one brake light, so fuck it, right? But just got us a little bit of stuff to load up right here. Truck's running, this car's running. Tosh will be out in a minute with the keys to the Challenger, but we're gonna get on the road here in a few minutes. Never really filmed like a big road trip thing like this, but if this little shit box can make it, Rocky Mountain Race Week is going to be awesome once this thing gets a turbo. And keeping it, we'll keep it reliable for now, but it'll be pretty fun. But if she can make it like 1,200 miles just how she is now, then we should be able to make that happen for sure. But for now, we'll probably see you guys on the road. I'm gonna grab some breakfast or something and go from there. We got 7 hours, 46 minutes to go, 521 miles. We're hitting the tolls. Heading towards Topeka. So, we're getting there, guys. I know this vlog probably hasn't been the most exciting, or the best for that matter, but I just kind of like realistically just threw it together. Woo! Diesel truck smoking through the toll. I'll probably tell this lady to watch her ears, because I might have to leave in a quickness. Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Watch your ears when I leave.
350, you what?
Watch your ears when I leave. It's gonna be probably kind of loud.
5, 5, 10, and 520. Uh-oh. You want a receipt?
Yeah, please. Sorry.
Alright. Here you go. 4, 5, 5, 10, 10, 20. Should I shut my window?
Sure.
Okay. Have a good one.
Thank you. Got some, I think we're going back, I don't know what she's doing up there, but we stopped for a second. But there's like a little museum over here. These towns are, I mean, they're fucking miles apart. Like miles. Like every like 20, 30 minutes is when you see another town. It's pretty crazy. So there's like a little railway museum thing over here. And then look at all these Chevys over here, man. Nothing but Chevys. Oh, pretty cool, man. Hell yeah. Whew. We got exactly 3 hours to go. 185 miles. We are on 40, which it has been, I think, like continued. So, what's she doing? But anyway, ship box going great. We're doing about, I don't know, 65-ish. So ready to not drive for a couple days. So we're gonna get there to a hotel tonight, since we can't move into the house till I think tomorrow. What's today? Today's Wednesday. Yeah, tomorrow. We can't move into the house till tomorrow. Till like 11 when we sign the lease. So I think she's just grabbing something to drink. We'll see what happens.